Welcome back to MotionRev. Today, we're diving deep into what may be the most extreme 911 ever produced, the 2026 Porsche 992.2 GT2 RS Hybrid. A machine engineered not just to surpass expectations, but to redefine what a rear-engine performance car can do in the hybrid era. This is more than an update. It is a turning point, and possibly, a final word in Porsche's combustion-powered legacy. The name GT2 RS carries weight. In previous generations, it stood for uncompromised, turbocharged, rear-wheel drive aggression. In 2026, it still does, but with a critical difference. This GT2 RS is a hybrid. Not for emissions compliance. Not for comfort. But for raw, unrelenting power. The traditional 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six has been reworked, paired with a compact and lightweight performance-oriented hybrid system. The result? A combined output of over 860 horsepower. That's more than any previous 911, and enough to launch this machine from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 2.5 seconds. Top speed? More than 340 km per hour. And yes, all of it sent through the rear wheels. Porsche hasn't simply dropped a battery into the rear engine bay. This GT2 RS is the result of extensive recalibration across the 992.2 chassis. A new generation of PASM suspension is tuned for extreme grip and responsiveness. The battery pack, mounted low and forward, assists in correcting weight bias without compromising balance. Rear axle steering sharpens turn and precision, while new traction algorithms handle the monstrous torque split between internal combustion and electric boost. Weight has been kept impressively low for a hybrid, thanks to carbon fiber panels, forged magnesium wheels, and a stripped, purposeful cabin. It's not just fast in a straight line, it's composed and vicious through corners. Exactly what you'd expect from a track-focused 911. Only sharper. Visually, this car is unmistakably GT2 RS, but with even more aggression dialed in. The front fascia is wider, bolder, and more aerodynamically functional than ever before. A new carbon-vented hood directs airflow efficiently to reduce lift and cool the hybrid system. Active aero components at the rear, including an adaptive spoiler and underbody diffusers, contribute to an enormous increase in downforce compared to the previous generation. The wide-body stance isn't just for aesthetics. It's the result of redesigned fenders accommodating larger tires and wider track widths. The black accents, hybrid-specific badging, and available WISAC package enhance the race-derived visual identity, while ensuring nothing looks artificial or overstated. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that is focused, stripped of anything unnecessary, yet still unmistakably Porsche. Deep racing bucket seats with carbon backs come as standard. The dashboard is minimal, featuring a center-mounted digital display that focuses entirely on driving data, torque vectoring, boost levels, lap telemetry, and battery assist status. The hybrid system is fully track-oriented. No EV-only mode. No regenerative cruising. Everything is engineered to deliver performance when it matters, on throttle, on track. This is a car designed to work with the driver, not distract them. There will be debates. Some will say hybridization compromises purity. That the GT2 RS should remain analog, raw, and untamed. But this 2026 model proves otherwise. The hybrid system in this car doesn't soften it. It sharpens it. The power arrives sooner. The torque fills every gap. The weight distribution is more intelligent. The lap times? Shorter than ever. This isn't a softer GT2 RS. It's the most dangerous, most capable, and most technologically advanced one yet. It might be the last of its kind with a combustion core, but it leaves no room for doubt about what a future-facing performance car should be. This was the 2026 Porsche 992.2 GT2 RS Hybrid, a machine that doesn't apologize for pushing boundaries. Thank you for watching MotionRev. Subscribe for more ultra-detailed reviews, deep analysis, and performance icons redefined. We'll catch you in the next one. Drive fast. Stay sharp.